Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So in this video, I'm going to give you the 10 top work-at-home businesses that you can start online. You don't need any experience, and you can get started right here, right today. Now, if you want to get some information on how to create a passive income that comes in every day, whether you work or not, click on the link below this video. Also, I'll probably leave it up here in the corner up here that you can click on that. That'll give you information on how to get passive income going to you consistently. Now, every day I like to bring you some new videos on how you can create wealth online, how you can, generate income for yourself, and I'm going to do that right here on this video. But I want to make sure though, hit that subscribe button. All right, hit that bell. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. Now, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you what I think is probably one of the best online opportunities, one of the best places you can go right now and start generating income right away. Okay, all of these are going to work, but some of them might take just like a week or two just to get up and running. But if you want to get up running quickly, stick around to the end for that. So let's start off with this QuickTate. So QuickTate is a website that you can transcribe voicemails, memos, letters, things like that, and get paid. So if you can type, if you know how to type, if you know how to transcribe messages, if you can hear it, then you just put it into text form into onto a notepad, then somebody can read it, then you can make money with this website. Okay, so you don't need any experience. All you really need is the ability to listen and then transcribe it. The next one is going to be Pinecone Research. Okay, so you're going to earn points and you can take these points by going out and you can try in different products. Okay, so there's products out there that people have that they want you to try. It could be apps, it could be websites, it could be watching videos, it could be going to social media sites. What you're going to do is you're going to be performing these small tasks, and you're going to earn points for these. Now, the points can be redeemed for cash, so you can redeem them for PayPal cash. You can redeem them for Amazon, gift card, things like that. Okay, so this will get you up and get you running quickly with that. Now, the next one is going to be user testing. I really like user testing because it's really easy. You're going to just test different apps. So you can test different apps, and you're going to test different videos. And what you're going to do is you're going to give feedback on this. And this is something you can make, like $10 per test. You can actually make around $30 per hour if you wanted to with this user testing site. So I really like this website for testing different apps and different online, stuff online. Now, all of this can be worked from home. Okay, so all of these that I'm showing you definitely can be working from home. You don't have to, travel anywhere to do these. The next one I like is Verbaling. If you know a foreign language, okay, I know English. That's all I know. I don't know any other languages. But there's so many people. There's so many smart people around the world that know different languages, that know 4 or 5 different languages. Verbaling is a great place to connect because people in America, they want to know foreign languages, okay, and they're paying crazy amounts of money for it. You can get in there and become a tutor, speak the language. You can learn English maybe while you're learning it, but definitely want to teach English, people in the U.S. how to speak foreign languages, and also other English-speaking people that don't grow up. We don't grow up in America with different languages, so I envy those of you that are out there that can speak different languages. We learn English, and that's it. Maybe we learn a little bit of Spanish here and there, but we just don't have the culture, and we don't have the different dialects around us, just English. Okay, so LeapForce. LeapForce is a really good site that allows you to, what you're going to do is you're going to go out to search engines, you're going to go to search results, and you're going to go and test different websites. And what you're going to do is give them feedback to Leapfrog, and they're going to take that and then they're going to pay you in points. Now, Leapfrog just got picked up by Appen, and Appen's really the same thing. So you're going to be going out to search engines, and you're going to give them feedbacks on websites, how the website looks on your computer, different things like that. And what they do is they take that and then they modify their search results based on the information that you give to them. And then you'll earn money through that company. Okay, so Appen is going to be another good one. Okay, so Arise.com is a really good website if you wanted to set up a call center. Okay, now you don't really have. I'm not talking about like set up a call center. I'm just meaning that you could be support staff for a company. Let's say it's Microsoft. You could become a consult, you could answer support questions and things like that when people call in, okay, for different companies out there. So you're basically just going to be a support person on the phone. You would get paid probably per hour on this one, but this would be something that you could work at home as long as you have a headset, maybe and a microphone to take calls, and you can use voice. You can use like Skype. You can use Google Voice, things like that. Okay, so the next one is going to be people per hour. So this one's going to be where you're going to be able to go out and people are looking for little jobs out there that they need done online. This could be maybe creating articles. It could be putting a website together. Maybe different odds and end jobs that people are looking for, and you can actually post your skills, and then you could pick up jobs at people per hour. Flex jobs is another one too. You can actually go and put up your skills that you have online that you can teach people. And I know you probably have some skills out there. You just got to figure out which one that is out there. And I promise you, there's a lot of companies out there that will hire out different little tasks that needs to be done on a daily basis. Upwork is going to be one of the bigger ones, probably one of the best ones for freelance work. So if you have different skills, you can go to Upwork, and what you'll see is people will post different projects that they need. So for example, I like to outsource people that know how to write articles for blogs. So they write an article, I pay for the work, I put it up on my blog, and then I have it. So somebody else actually does all the research and does the typing and puts it together for me, and then they give me the finished product. Okay, that could be an example of something you would do. Maybe something that you know how to maybe you know how to put your like write a software program, things like that. Okay, those are software programs. People that know how to create software programs are in big demand right now. Okay, so Upwork was going to be another one that you can work at home. Now, my last one is going to be Fiverr.com. If you haven't been to Fiverr, it's a great program that you can start almost immediately. Okay, these are things that you could get up and you could post what you know how to do. Okay, there's just absolutely crazy amounts of things that you could put on here. If you're a designer, if you're good at speaking, if you're good at all this stuff that you're good at, you could post this right away and start earning income. I mean, you can just get creative with Fiverr.com. Okay, and they'll pay you. They'll pay you out in PayPal. You can take the PayPal, go spend it. I think there's other ways to pay you, maybe Bitcoin right now. So Fiverr is definitely a great place to start up your online work at home business. Okay, there you go. There's 10 of them that you can get started right away. If you want to get some information on how to get passive income going for yourself, how you can get up running, if you wanted to just get up and get income really happening for you every month, click on the link below this video. That way you get some information on how to do that. This is my number one recommended opportunity online right now. Okay. Hey, so if you like this video, click on the like button, share it with your friends, comment below. Let me know how I can help your business or your online success. So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.